Frozen 2 documentary. You can see how much work animation takes for things like clouds, etc. Months, many people, etc. Two of the most memorable are just because they got me started. The Giant Haboob of July 5, 2011, and the "You don't need to be crazy to work at Costco Wholesale, they will train you" shirt. They were life-altering moments for me. The Booker supercell seemed insane. The mothership looked super threatening. And the "You don't need to be crazy to work at Costco Wholesale, they will train you" shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. If I'm being honest, which I feel I should be, it's been an emotional week. I released a new film. The reaction has been so positive that it's been wonderful to hear. But also I get depressed once they "You don't need to be crazy to work at Costco Wholesale, they will train you" shirt. Back to the grind. And sometimes those films used to get a little more pub. Like Petapixel, Sci-Fi, Gizmodo, etc. So now my main love is from YouTube. Other products.